How to remove multiple products from collections in Shopify. So right here, I'm on the home page of Shopify, and we want to click on products from the left hand side. Now right here, you should be able to see a list of all of your products, and what I'm going to do is mark both of these products or all of the products that I want removed from the collection. So right here, I've just marked both of these products. And what I'm going to do is click on the three dots right here. And if we scroll down, you should be able to see remove from collection or collections. Once selected, you will see all of your collections here. And if we want to remove them from either of those, we'll simply check this. And as you can see, we will be able to read this message. You're about to remove two products from collections, featured products in my case. And then if we want to remove those, we'll simply click on save, and this will remove both of these products from our Shopify collection. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.